Problem number 1 of page 35 of the book. First, we don't know what kind of differential equation it is, so we need to simplify this equation by dividing both sides with dx. So we'll have x dy over dx is equal to 2y plus x squared. And then, we need to multiply 1 over x in both sides. So we'll have dy over dx minus 2xy is equal to x. Now, this equation coincides with our linear differential equation. So we need to find an integrating factor for this linear equation. b is equal to e, the integral of px dx. And 2 over x is our px. So we'll have the integral of 2 over x dx So 1 over x squared is our integrating factor. And we need to multiply this integrating factor into our equation. So we'll have dy over dx minus 2xy is equal to x multiplied by 1 over x squared. And then we'll have this form equal to 1 over x dx. And then integrating both sides, we'll have 1 over x squared y is equal to ln of x. And then multiplying both sides with 1 over x squared, we'll have y is equal to x squared ln of x plus cx squared. And this will be our general solution for our equation.